Got it.
Big bang, bitch, yeah, bitch, I'm back at it. Post a thirst trap, bet your nigga double tap it. Got that comeback, gotta turn him to an addict. Round up applause when that ass get the clapping. Booty so big, he wanna throw a stack on it. Bossy little bitch, keep a couple racks on me. 30-inch weave, I can sit my ass on it. Make your baby daddy wanna spit some cash.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be going through some of my inventory and some of my new inventory that I received. I got most of my inventory in already. I'm still waiting on a few things to get in before June 10th, because on June 10th I'm gonna be launching 3 new lash books and 5 new lip gloss shades that's gonna be coming for the summer. And so I want to let y'all know now so y'all could be on the lookout for it. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that's gonna look like. These are the Lash Books. This is the one that's gonna have 3 small lash styles in it. And when I say small, I mean the short, the 16 to 17 mm lashes. And it also has a pair of tweezers that come with them. These are gonna be available on June 10th on the website. I also have these. And it's gonna have 4 different styles. I'm gonna fill these lash books right here. I haven't had a chance to do them yet, but I'm gonna get them done because I've had these lash books for a while, but my deadline is until June 10th, so I got time to prep that through. And I probably will do a video when I'm doing that, showing you guys the process. And I also have a book of 10. So for my people who like to buy a stock of lashes at all for one, this one is called Jamaica. This is not the lash book that I use. These are what they came in with, the vendor sent them in. This style is called Jamaica. If you go on my Instagram page, JoysOfLuxury, when I had the red hair in, and I think it's kind of like a white shirt or something I had on, kind of like this, you'll see that I had the style Jamaica on. You can see what it looks like on there on someone. And they're really pretty as well. Like, they're really dope. Yeah, this is Wanderlust. This style right here. These are the 25 mm. And these right here are new. Like, these are some new styles. I added some new styles in there. This is one of the returning. This is VIP. This one is a favorite. Like, I love this one. I took a lot of pictures wearing this style. I love the way this one looks. This one is the one that made me fall in love with the natural dramatic looking lash, because even though, like, when I first looked at it, I was like, oh, it kind of looked a little messy. I thought this was gonna be the ugliest lash, y'all. I thought it was gonna be the ugliest one, and it turned out to be the best looking one. Period. It was the best looking lash that I had. I got a lot of other lashes, but you know what? I could get my other available lashes to show y'all what each individual style looks like if y'all want to see that. But I have 11 other styles available right now on the website. I also have lip gloss available already, and this is like a new collection that I did that came out when these lashes came out. And this is what it looks like. This one is called True Nude. I'm wearing it right now, actually. This one is called Sienna. And this one is called Pink Champagne. I have that available right now on the website. I also have a few sets of press-on nail styles left on the website. I have this one right here. I believe this one is called Tropicana. And it comes with an application kit right in the back of it that I put together. You can use like the glue tab, you can use the nail glue if you want either choice, or you could use both. Me personally, I like security, y'all. I like to make sure my nails is secure, so I use both of them, okay? But I also put a little paper for instructions on ways to get your nails to stay on when you do the press-ons, because some people have problems with them just popping off. I used to have that problem, but I did a lot of research and I figured out a lot of different ways to get them to stay on for a longer period of time. I could get mine to stay on for a week to 2 weeks if I want to, but I have the instructions for you in there. It has a pack of alcohol wipes in there, and what else I got in here? The Cuticle Stick and a nail buffer, and my thank you card. So I have that available in here, but this is what this style looks like. Let me turn it around. There you go. I don't have any nails on right now. I've been letting my nails breathe, but I have been doing them back to back. And you know, sometimes you just gotta let your hands breathe, okay? And I also have, these are called Queen Bee. And these right here are called Golden Glow. I have 2 sets of those left. And I also have Charmed available. Charmed, this is one of my favorite sets. I put a lot of energy into doing these, okay? And these are available as well on the website. So if you go on there, you'll see it. Hopefully it's still there by the time you get on there. These are the body scrubs that I have available. This is Cashmere Nights. And this is Soft Vanilla Kisses. These are both made by me. They're good for exfoliating. They're 8-ounce jars. They're available on the website. They smell really good. This one is a soft vanilla scent, and that's why I call it Soft Vanilla Kisses anyway, because it's soft scented. It's a soft vanilla. And this one is called Cashmere Nights. And I chose cashmere because I don't know about y'all, but I love a good cashmere scent. Because if I go to Bath and Body Works, if I see cashmere, I'm buying it. Okay? Every time, I haven't ever went wrong with a cashmere scent. And so, I ain't go wrong with this one. I love it. And I also have them in sample sizes for my people that, you know, like to test out things. These are available for like $3 on my website in this size. I also have the Cashmere Nights one too. So check it out. Let me go ahead and show you some of the new stuff I got in. This is only a few new things. I have some other stuff coming in that I'm waiting on. And so when that comes, I'm going to do another video for you guys. But I have a good bit of syringes that came in here. But I got some more of these. Because I can't wait for y'all to see the new lip glosses. They're beautiful. Okay? And I put, you know, a lot of energy and time into picking out colors and stuff like that. So I think y'all gonna really appreciate it. And I also got this right here. The box stuff. My pink box stuffer. I finally found these. I don't know why I couldn't find this type. But I really like this color. And so I went with this one. Because I had some of the crinkle paper, but it wasn't doing it for me anymore, because for whatever reason, like with packaging in my business, I found that I always see something that could make it, like, enhance it in some type of way. And so I just went with it because I was like, I want y'all to get this cute packaging, okay? And look at this big pink bubble wrap that I got in. I did not expect it to be this big, y'all, but it's really big. But it's pretty, big and pretty. That came in also yesterday. But I'm receiving the finishing touches to my inventory because I've had some things sitting on it for a little while, but I'm still working on moving the inventory that I do have. I'm still a new business. My business was open. I started my website on November 6th. I had put into some work before that date, but that's when I officially launched. I launched on November 6th, and I'm moving my products or whatever. And so I also got one more thing. Also have this. I have some First Lies available. And these are LV First Lies. These are the only First Lies that I sell on my website. And they look like this. The mink First Lies. And they come in a pretty silver dust bag that I have for them. I wish I had it in here by me. Let me go get it if I could show you. Okay, so let me show you. Hold up, let me put that to the side. But these are the dust bags that I have for my First Lies. This is what the LV First Lies go with. And it also comes with a brush as well. I have a bin over here. That's what I'm digging in right now. It comes with this brush right here, and this is the dust bags that they come with. So when you order these, this is what I ship them in. So make sure you check me out, okay? You follow me for updates, like, comment, and subscribe. drop down in the comments and let me know what videos you want to see from me. I want to do like I always wanted to do an entrepreneur series. These are some of my favorite series to watch, and I'm finally living my dream out as an entrepreneur and pushing forward and just doing it. And so I just want you to see my journey. I want to document my journey myself as well, to see the growth, because I believe in what I'm doing. And that's all I got for y'all today. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social medias. I'm gonna make sure I put them down in the comment section below. JoysOfLuxury.com. Thank you and bye.